Thank you so much to Kong for this amazing care package. Hurricane wanted to play with every toy, not realizing there's a whole box full of them. The traditional black Kong is one of Hurricane's favorite toys. He can't destroy it with his titanium teeth, and it was also used in training as a reward at the end of the day. But in retirement, he can have a Kong anytime he wants, and now he has a ton to pick from thanks to you. Thank you.